Hey there, physics enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into one of the most fascinating physics demonstrations, the Newton's Cradle. Not just as a cool desk toy, but as an incredible learning tool that can help us understand several fundamental physics concepts. First, let's understand what we are looking at. This Newton's Cradle typically consists of 7 identical metal balls suspended by 2 strings each, all hanging in a row. It's not just mesmerizing to watch, it's a perfect demonstration of conservation of momentum and energy. When you pull back one ball and release it, something amazing happens. Why? This is where the magic of physics comes in. The collision between the balls is nearly perfectly elastic, meaning almost no energy is lost as heat or sound. Let's break down what we can learn from this device. When studying motion and forces, pay attention to how the energy transfers from one ball to another. Notice how the middle balls barely move, they're just transmitting the force. This helps us understand wave propagation in solid materials. Here's a pro tip. Try different experiments with your Newton's Cradle. Pull back 2 balls instead of 1. What happens? When teaching Newton's laws, this device is invaluable. Want to go deeper? Study the subtle energy losses. You can even use it to explore periodic motion. Time the swings with a stopwatch. You'll find they follow predictable patterns, introducing concepts of period and frequency. Remember, the Newton's Cradle isn't just a toy. It's a window into understanding momentum, energy conservation, wave propagation, and periodic motion. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just someone fascinated by physics, this simple device can unlock complex concepts in an engaging, hands-on way. Keep experimenting, keep observing, and keep learning. Smash that like button, share the video and comment below your thoughts, and let's learn together.